impossible.
What?
Tails, Knuckles, are you guys alright? At this rate, they won't make it.
Loop Hedgehog, I am impressed. You've made it past the guard. Now hand over that sword and stone.
This doesn't look good, Sonic. Their wounds are too serious.
I see.
Shadow, please, get them out of here.
What about those two?
I'll handle them.
Handle us? I admire your persistence, Hedgehog, but you're mistaken if you think you can beat us.
What?
I know I can beat you. Let's go. You're finished.
Alright, Hedgehog. I'm through playing games.
All right, then let's get this show on the road. You're finished. This one's for Tails.
Did you really think I was finished with that attack back there? I should kill you right now. However, it seems that my superiors have found some use for you, so I'll let you keep those items for now. Just remember this: nobody messes with Kane!